Good day, divergence traders. How we all doing today? Hope everybody's fine and well. So let's take a look at this and see what happened. So here is I think it was CPI today. I don't know. I heard someone call it the other day. Hold on a sec here. Yeah, it was the CPI. That's what created this baton, like I like to call it. So anyway, it told you a lot here. It told you, hey, we opened up, we rallied up, right? They went after whatever stops, orders, gold they could dig up here, and they smacked it right back down again. Okay? So in order to do this trade, it would have been exactly 5 minutes after the news. Okay? And here it is. I'll show you on the 5 minute. We have a high, a retracement, higher high, okay? And this here matches up with this. Just like that, that's divergent. You would have got in short right here on the opening of this candle, okay? And your stop would have been 65 points. It would have went against you like 26 points. No biggie. And then closed right here. And down it went. 83, 84 points. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Also, what did we have at the on the next candle? Yeah, it was the opening of the next one. We had a higher close, right? Higher close right here with this candle. Sell it on the open, down it goes. And how much did we get on that one? 45 points. And again, we had it, okay, right here. See, it's in the zone. The candle closed up higher inside the zone, not above the 2 moving averages. So it was what? It was another higher close, sell it, down it goes. How much max potential did we get on that one? 65 points. So you see my 2 beautiful trades here? Yeah. Beautiful thing. Then we come down here and we had a low retracement, lower low, okay? But we had what I call a level divergence, okay? So right down here, we really needed this to be less, this spike down, than this one, but they're both about the same. I don't know, maybe it is less. Let me take the chart all the way up. Is it less or is it more? They're level. They're level. It's what I call level divergence. It's something I coined myself. I've never heard anybody else talking about it. Hey, the chart still did a major retracement and then a major new spike down. Yes, it would have been better if we would have had just a little bit more shallow, or less shallow, I should say, on the right side of the OSMA, but we don't. It's level. So I still consider it, divergence. And all that you need to do is just wait for, price to come back up, close above the moving averages, and then you get in, right? So say we got in on the opening of this candle right here with the wick, okay? So our stop would be 41 points. And it went up how much, ladies and gents? 52. So you would have got your 1-to-1. Then we had more trades right here. Let me show you. Showing you all kinds of trades here today. Lower close, buy it. Up it goes. Lower close, buy it. Up it goes. 20 points. This one was good for 25 points. See, there's all the trades. See, you look at the chart and you probably go, oh no, I missed that that trade way up there with that big wick. Oh, and then it just came down. There was only one trade that I could see. But no, There was 5 trade setups, and I just showed them to you according to what I like to trade and like to teach and share with you guys. Like I said yesterday, these higher close, you know, sell it down it goes, or lower close, buy it up it goes. You've never seen that anywhere else. on the close of candles, you've never seen that anywhere else. Especially doing the opposite of what the current price is doing. It's very hard to wrap your mind around it, right? To look for a sell trade when the market just rallied up, or looking for a buy trade when the market just smacked down, let's just call it, right? It's hard to get that in your mind because we're humans and we want to go with the flow, right? Right. Well, right here, the flow for this 5 minutes, it was up. But we're not looking to buy here once it closed. We are looking to sell. You see what I mean, Jelly Bean? Yeah. So it's very difficult for people to do this. And I understand. It's like you're going, oh, I don't know, it's going up. Look at the big wick here. Oh, look at it, closed up here. Blue body. Look, it's going to keep going up. That's what your mind and the devil on your shoulder wants to tell you. Doesn't mean it's right. It's not right. Okay? So you got to get out of that fear and change your wiring, your human wiring. You got to go beyond your human wiring to see and do this. And it makes sense. People, when you're wanting to sell, there's people wanting to buy out of their sells. And they want to, and we want them to sell their buys to us because we want it to go down. You see what I'm saying? Well, they're getting out with a buy, or I don't know. It's kind of confusing how you know how it all works. There's buyers and sellers. So when you're selling, you're buying someone's long when you're selling. That makes the complete transaction, right? Unless you're trading on Forex and you can hedge. But anyway, we're not into hedging here. But you see what I mean? It's very difficult. Believe me, it took me years to get past that. I wanna sell when the market is currently going up, and I wanna sell when the market is currently going down, or up, I should say. Anyway, let's get back to this. There was 5 setups here, and they all worked. Let's look at the S&P now. It's the same freaking chart because it's the same algorithm. Right, ICT? Or is it ICT? I don't know. CTIT. Yeah, that's what's going on. They're running the same algo. Why does it look the same? Like I get here, hold on. Let me put them side by side. Okay, here's this one. What's this one? No. That's gold. Even gold looks the same. Look, it did this, it did a spike, it came back down, made a little hump here and came back down. See, like right here, spike, came down, little hump, came down. It's the same shit. Let's see, NASDAQ, and there, see? Look at how identical they are. Look, the wick, the top wick, the sell-off, the pullback, and then the down, and then to a lower low. Same thing. The wick, the sell-off, the pullback, down to a lower low. Look at that. See? You got to ask yourself, something's doing that. It's not volume. It's not me and Joe and Frank and Teresa over here. It's not. It's not. It's an algo. I know it's an algo. It has to be an algo. Otherwise, these charts wouldn't look identical like this. 2 different instruments. You know what I mean? Okay, let's get back to this now. Okay. So the S&P, same thing. High retracement, higher high. I'll draw it on here for you. There's the higher high. And down at the bottom, it might not even be divergence. Right here, just like that. and you would have got short right there in the opening of the candle, and down it went. Like I said, same trades here basically. Higher close right near the 5, sell it, down it goes. Higher close right at the 5, sell it, down it goes. Fucking A, down it goes. Yeah, right there. You would have sold it. Down it went. And then we have a low retracement, lower low. What do we have down here? The same level divergence. See? Right here, retracing here, and up we go. Okay, same shit. Different instrument. Okay, let's look at the US 30 now. Same thing. Oh, look. The US 30 pushed too much, so it wasn't divergent here. Look at that, eh? Look at that. It pushed up too far. The indicator followed the price. We need this mountain peak to be lower than this one. Okay, so we had a higher close by a little bit and sell it. Oh, I have it on the wrong one. Sell it on the opening of this nice red candle. Well, it wasn't red when you would be selling it, but that's where you'd sell it. And it would have gave you 47 points. And then we had, what did we have here? Oh, what did we have here? We had one of my SmackDown trades. Yeah, we had a oh yeah, stutter and you can't talk, Jason. I got to take a little breath, sorry. Anyway, we had a higher close candle that closed above the moving averages, and then we had the SmackDown candle. And once that closed down here, almost near the low of the candle, you would have, right on the opening of the very next candle, you would have sold it. Okay? And it would have gave you a little bit of hell. But this is where you would have sold it, right on the opening of this one. It would have came back up, okay, on this one. It's freaked you out a little bit. But then look what they did. Boom, boom, in 10 minutes, they smacked it down 93 points. So as long as you didn't freak out when the price rallied back up and closed back up here and held on, saying, hey, we're still in a downtrend, right? You would have done good. You know, to the bottom, it was like 102 ticks. Okay? Oh, look here, but we have it here. We didn't have it on this one, but we had it on this one. Look at this. We have a low, a retracement, and a lower low. Okay? And down here, we have a low with a higher low. Look, it's just, see it? See it? It's screaming at you. Buy it, man. Buy it. When the criteria sets up, buy it. So where did the criteria set up? Well, it's right here. Right on the opening of this candle. If you would have bought it, this is the Dow, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Your stop would be 52 points. Did we get 52 points? We almost got 2 to 1. It just got to go a little bit higher right up to here, and you'll have your 2 to 1 win-loss ratio. Also, if you missed this entry, you could have got in on this one, which is a lower close, buy it, up it goes. 67 points. See, here's another one, but it wasn't close enough to the 5. So there was no buy here. You could have bought it, though, because look at it. It was screaming at you. Look at the long wick. It was telling you there's more buyers than sellers. Licks don't lie. No. I meant to say wicks, not licks. Wicks don't lie. See? So the why, it was telling you. It's telling you. There's more buyers in this pin bar than there are sellers. So if you would have bought it right there, it went up 23 points. So far, it could go back, right back up here. We don't know. Time will tell. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar now. Oh, that's yesterday. Here we go. That was just my last drop of water. I need to get more water. Water! Look here, the big spike. Ooh, look at the big long wicks, on that, on the top and bottom of it. That's the takedown. That's the shake 'em up, shake 'em out wick. That's what that is. That candle. Yeah, like I told you before, to me it looks like a baton, but anyway, it's long wicks on both sides. You know that they went after the orders up here. They went after the orders down here. They just screwed. They messed with everybody. That's what they do on news. That's why you should always wait at least minimum 5 minutes after the news candle is done, like on a 5-minute chart. Once that candle closes, then look for a setup. You want to try and trade this shit? Well, you're going to get burned, man, because it's very, very hot. Hot. Don't touch. Ta-ta. Ta-ta. Hot. Hot. Very hot. Okay. I had to put in my ta-ta. Don't touch. Ta-ta. Okay. Now, is that a, yeah, that's a smackdown. Look, we had a candle that closed up above the moving averages. And then what did they do? They smacked it down and it closed near the low, almost the low of the smackdown candle. And it closed down there and it told you to do what? It told you to sell on the opening of this candle right here. And what did it do if you would have sold? Well, it went down like 36 pips on the pound dollar. And here's another one. Closed up above the 2 moving averages, right? You wait for the smackdown back below the moving averages and hopefully closing at the low of that current candle, which it did. What do you do on the next candle? You sell it, man. You sell it. Let me put on my doodads. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Where is that? Oh, that's right there. That's the candle right on the open. You would have sold it and down it goes. And then we had my new latest edition, which I use an X for, and I call it the smackdown trade. So you would have got short right in here, okay? And how much did it go down? It went down 37 pips. Then what did we have down here? Did we have more divergence? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, see there's a little bit of space between here and here. Yeah, it's divergent, man. It's freaking divergent. Yeah, right there, low to lower low. And this one up ever so slightly. See that? It's going up, stair step. Ding, 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 ding. Look here, I'll pull it up. See the stair steps? One higher than the next one. Yeah. Well, that needs to go down a little bit. There. Less stair steps. 1, 2, 3 stair steps. Yeah. Just like how price moves in steps at different prices. That's how it moves most of the time. Okay. What did I say about this one? There's more trades here. There's 2 more trades here. Let me show you. Lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. Lower close, buy it right there, and up it goes. See that? 4 trade setups here, all successful. On the pound dollar, let's look at the euro dollar now. Oh, same shit, same shit. Same algorithm, different instrument. That's it. Looks like that. Same thing, you would have sold right here on the smackdown. Somewhere in here you would have sold anyway. I don't know. Something like that. Sell right there. Down it goes. 28 pips. And what did we have here? We had a higher close above the moving averages, and then this one off of R3 and $1.80, I think it is. You would have got in here, right here. It's a SmackDown. It's another SmackDown. Oh, I'm picking the wrong thing. Sorry. Right there. Smacked it down, closed near the low of this candle right here. See, we close right, it just has a little nipple on it. Closed right near the low on the opening of this one. You would have sold it. Within 10 minutes, you would have been making money. Oh, did I tell you that I am not a financial advisor, not licensed in any way whatsoever? I'm just a big old dumb idiot that's been looking at charts for 20 years, and I chose divergence for my best trading friend. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. So it went down 22 pips. There you have it in 10 minutes. And we have divergence down here. Oh, for sure. It's like easy to see it this time. Okay, right there like that. And like that. So we would have got long right in there. 13 pips. Only went up 13 pips. Okay. Let's look at the pound yen now. Oh, this is a bit of a different story. Yeah, there's a trade here. Hidden divergence in the UK session. Right there, you would have sold it. Went down 47 pips. Stop would have been very small, like 12 pips. Then down here, we had another trade. But it's before this CPI number came out. And it went up. Stop would have been down here. Okay? You could put it here, but it would have come and got you. Oh, yeah. And it went up 53 pips. And we have the same kind of, at the same time, I'm sure, these two. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close right here, buy it, up it goes. So, yeah, you would have had your two nice winners there. Okay. Oh, I could put those on. Oh, now I'm yawning. Holy tamale. There it is right there. Buy it, up it goes. Buy it, up it goes. That's it. 2 winners, 3 winners, 4 winners. 1, a sell, a buy, and 2 buys. Yes. Euro yen. Oh. It's like right there, double high. Could have sold right in there. Went down 37 pips. Stop would have been 12 pips. And then down here we have a low and a lower low, see? Come on, pick it up. Here we go. Close enough. But where would have you got in? We have to wait for price to come up above the moving averages. Would you like buy way the fuck up here? 32 points? Well, if you did, you did. You didn't get your 1-to-1. You only got about 20 points from it. 20 pips on the euro yen. Yeah, it sucked. Probably may have been a loser, that one, because it didn't hit your target. Didn't get the 1-to-1. They sold off of this here again, right here. That's what they did. And they did it a few times, see? They didn't want to go up, even though now it's going up. They just kept selling. Down it goes, selling, down it goes, selling, down it goes. Crazy. And then we're going to look at gold. Oh, God. Look what gold did now. Look at this. You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to chop up people like that. Okay, there's no divergence on this news trade here, this news spike. It's just another baton. Let's look at oil now. What did it give us? Remember, that's yesterday I drew that triangle. See, and they buy fake people. Well, first they sell fake people here with this nice candle. And then they buy fake people with this candle. And then they took it back down here again to get the stops. You see how it's not worth trying to trade fresh off the consolidation here? Don't trade that shit, man. It's too fucking hard to know what the bastards are going to do. And as you can see, they went on both sides of it and fucked people. They fucked the sellers here because their stops would have been here. Then they fucked the buyers here because they would have put their stops back here. And they came and they got their stops. They got the gold here. They got the gold here. They're fucking bastards, man. And then we had a double top up here, but at that time, trading was over. Trading was over. Let's see what happened today. Oh. Oh. Okay, we had a trade here, I believe. No. Where did I see that trade? Oh, it's way the fuck up there. Okay. It's right up here. From here to here. That's going up. This one is going down. So you would have sold right there on the opening of that candle, which was at 10 minutes after 7 a.m. this morning, Eastern Standard Time. So if you would have sold right there, okay, went down around 50 points. And then this was the news, ICE, CPI right here. Okay. If you would have held on, well, it kept going down. From up there, it went down $2. 200 points. 200 ticks. Whatever you want to call them. And that's it for the show today, ladies and gents. I hope you enjoyed the show. Please, if you did enjoy the show, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's free to do all that stuff. And you'd really help out the channel. And you'd, give me more, how would you say, aspiring, la-di-da to keep coming and doing more and teaching you more. And sometimes I can't talk. I'm sorry, but like I said before, I was poisoned and I've been injured, and that's what happens. Sometimes I can't talk properly. I hope you, see, I was just stuttering there again. I hope you can forgive me, forgive my vocabulary now. Okay, so thank you once again, and if you're going to keep trading today, be careful. The best time to trade was back here, ladies and gentlemen, and over here. Not now, but there still can be a move. You never know. Okay. Thank you. Good luck and good trading.